I think I'm blessed today. I'm getting to eat all the 3 chicken 65s and beautiful colored chicken 65 is now made in many varieties. So today we're going to learn the 3 of these varieties. Add a drop of lemon juice onto it. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com, and today I'm going to show you beautiful chicken 65 of Chennai. Here they used to make it dry and I really used to love it, but I've seen many other variations which in fact the one I used to make in my restaurant in city of Chicago was little bit modified version. So we're going to learn the Chinese kind of chicken 65, the masala dar chicken 65 which is boneless, and again the Chennai style, what I learned, the original one. For this, you need to take the chicken with bone. Make sure that the chicken are smaller pieces, not very big. Even 1 or 2 boneless pieces in it is good. The way they marinate it and they coat it is absolutely fantastic. In this, first I'm going to add the chili powder. And the chili powder is nice and red like Kashmiri chili powder. In this, we're going to add some ginger garlic paste. We're going to use the curry powders like coriander powder, and do not add too much. Add everything very little after you finish it. Usually in the hotels we marinate it, we fry it, we check one piece, otherwise then we adjust anything. Add little bit of cumin seed powder, pinch of garam masala, not much, very little of flavoring salt. Mix all of this. Masalas are coated well, just 1/10 of an egg white. So that will give a very nice coating. The masala, everything is good, but you want some kind of bite, the little bit of crunchiness that comes by adding little bit of corn flour and some all-purpose flour, that is Maida. So do not add too much of this, otherwise you will mess it up. To make sure you are able to drop these pieces well and that kind of crunch you want a little bit, add some oil. So this will help not stick chicken pieces to each other. Now look at this. This is all perfect. A lot of people make their chicken 65 very red in color. This is good enough, but if you want, add, the food coloring. This is in most of the places they do add. I've added just little, but you can always skip this. If I was making at home, I would never add red color. Since I've already brined the chicken, that means there is some salt already in the chicken. So I'm being careful. I'm going to add very little salt. That should be good enough. This is all ready and I'm just going to leave it in the fridge, and then when the order comes, means at the end, I'm going to fry them. Now we're going to make the Chinese and the Indian masala dar style. So this one, the basic chicken marination and frying is good, and most of the times I've seen people using only boneless chicken. So for this, I'm going to do the reverse step. So here we're going to take some corn flour, we're going to add some all-purpose flour, that is Maida, add some flavoring salt. This is to give nice taste. Add some coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala, some cumin seed powder. In this, we're going to add some crushed pepper. And if you want to add that chili powder, a little bit of food coloring, add egg white, 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil, and some water. Along with the salt, we're going to mix all of this into a paste kind of thing. The chicken also, some of the moisture will come out, and here I have taken the boneless pieces of chicken. Mix all of this. I think I would rather add some more chili powder in this for the color. Later, if you want more color to it, it's fine. Look at this. This is all sticking. You need to add some more water so that when you fry this, you will be able to drop them good. Then it will become nice and soft. Look at this. So let's fry these chicken pieces first. Drop pieces like this. Fry them till they are nice. These ones will come out tender, and just in 4 or 5 minutes they have done good. They are nice, soft, good, but not tasty enough, because these chicken need additional power of masalas, which I'm going to show. So look at these chicken pieces. They are nicely fried, and we're going to fry all of these chicken pieces, and then I'm going to show you how to do this masala dar. These are the Chennai style chicken 65 pieces. I've added the masalas, added ginger garlic paste, and what I used to do, I used to chop fine stems of coriander and also curry leaf. You can add a little bit of chopped curry leaf, but only thing is they can become slightly darker in color. If you want, you can also add some green chili. But they are nice and tasty, and each piece, just mix it well. Little bit of crushed pepper also you can add, but you have to check the salt. I checked just now, and I think I will need a little more salt. So adjust the salt in the last, because some of it will be absorbed by the chicken and all that. This chicken is nice. What usually I do is I take a little bit of all-purpose flour in the last, just one little coat. This is optional. This is what I do. Rub it once again. That will give that additional little bit of crispness. And then add piece by piece into this. Because the bone is there, this will take little more time than the other chicken, but that is fine. Fry these pieces till they are nice and done. In the last, I just increase the flame a little bit. I'm going to add curry leaf, the green chili. You look at the color. These ones, have got a little bit darker in color, but they are fried excellent. The curry leaves and the green chili is all perfect. I want you to see the difference, because this one is fully fried till they are nice and a little bit crunchy. Now you see this off-fried chicken. Nice red in color because there is no much masalas, and this one is beautiful. This one is ready to eat. The Chennai style, the curry leaf is crunchy. The chicken also, nice and crunchy. So we're going to make the other ones also, and we're going to enjoy all of them together. I'm going to make this little bit of the masala dar, especially on the street side they make this, and nowadays most of the restaurants are also giving chicken 65 like this. For this, we're going to add some oil in a pan. So here we're going to add the masalas. When the oil is hot, add green chili and curry leaf. So when they sizzle, we're going to add curd. So this curd is going to give the nice masala dar effect. In this, add little bit of ginger garlic paste. Same, the masalas, whatever we added, little extra. Cumin seed powder, little bit of garam masala, little bit of coriander powder, add some more chili powder. This curd is the one which will give that nice masala dar effect. In this, add some coriander leaf, little bit of salt. So now this masala is perfect. Chili powder is there, the garam masala, the ginger garlic paste, everything along with the curry leaf. In the last, all you do is add this pieces of chicken, whisk the curd. This is slightly grainy, but the chicken pieces get the fantastic flavor. Switch off the flame, and this is ready to serve. The curd and the other flavor along with this chicken 65. In a lot of restaurants, they serve this method, and let's go ahead and serve this. This kind of chicken 65 is all ready, and just make sure you serve that green chili, the curry leaf, everything with this. We're going to make one with soya sauce and then chili sauce. For this, we're going to add some oil in a pan. In this, we're going to add chopped ginger, chopped garlic, green chili, and here I'm going to add some capsicum also. If you want, you can also add some onion. Saute all of them, and in this, add some salt. Once these onions and this ginger, everything kind of little bit sizzles, have little bit of water ready. Usually we use the stock. In this, add little bit of chicken stock if you have. If you don't have, add water. Add some flavoring salt, some soya sauce, not much, otherwise it will discolor. Add some chili sauce, little more of soya sauce, and if you want little bit of sweetness, some even 1-2 drops of tomato ketchup. Now the water is still there. Increase the flame now. We're going to dry this up. Once this, you can start seeing moisture is evaporating, add chicken pieces and toss. So you will see that nice shine along with this nice soya sauce and all that. Even the Chinese style chicken 65, and some of the Chinese restaurants are also serving this as their favorite dishes, especially in the Indian Chinese one. This is all ready to serve. You have seen that we have made 3 varieties of chicken 65, and each one has a different taste and also the masalas and the flavors. I know somebody will comment, you are teaching bad habits, you are showing the bad eating habits. I don't eat like this every day. When I'm making the recipes, I want you guys to see them and like and enjoy and cook whatever you find healthy, whatever you find tasty. Here, I'm not here to teach philosophy. I'm here to teach good food. Eat responsibly. And now, this first recipe, whatever I have learned, the chicken 65 in Chennai. So in the 5-star hotel, I did these things, and the chicken pieces are perfectly marinated, and slightly this is, I added little more masala, because of which it got little extra color, and just outstanding. And when you eat this, take a bite of chili, a curry leaf, and also you can add a drop of lemon juice onto it. One of the best chicken 65. For me, the original recipe, what I learned in the Chennai, is my favorite. And second thing is, this is in between the Chinese one and the Chennai chicken. And here we had yogurt, we had the masalas, and they make it a little more moist. And the curd, I added whole thing, beat the curd and add, then you will have better shine. Small little pieces of this chicken, they are nice, absolutely good, amazing. And my last one is a Chinese one. These kinds are served everywhere, but I had a Chinese restaurant also, means Indo-Chinese kind of restaurant I had in city of Chicago, where I had a Chinese cook. So that guy also used to make it, his version, and this is his version. With a little bit of soya sauce and the chili sauce, that will give that punch, what the yogurt gives in our Deshi style of masala chicken 65. All of them just melting in your mouth. My father is going to enjoy this chicken 65 today with his red wine, which was gifted to me by Venki, another great friend from US. Hi Venki, and enjoy this great food. This chicken 65, 3 of them are awesome. So my friend is saying, oh, you got to make it chicken 195, because 65 is 195. He is good in maths. Anyway, I'm putting it in thumbnail. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Please share the recipes with your friends and enjoy greatest of the greatest food. Always keep saying Vareva, and see you in another video. So